to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Niku Udon. Niku Udon is hot udon noodles topped with beef cooked in savory broth. It's very easy and quick meal to fix. Let me show you how to make it, but before we carry on, please hit the subscribe button below before you forget. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 frozen udon noodles. For the broth, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon instant dashi soup stock, 1 teaspoon salt. For the topping, 400 grams thinly sliced beef, like sukiyaki style beef, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons sake, some ginger, green onion or scallion, and this is totally optional, but I have some onsen tamago today. If you can't be bothered making onsen tamago, you just need to pass this. I'm preparing the topping first, so let's slice this green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut this in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and slice thinly. Put it in a small bowl and put it aside. The next is the beef topping. Let's put the beef into the pot and add all the seasonings. 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons sugar. Turn the heat on and cook until the beef is brown. The beef is completely cooked, so let's add grated ginger. And when you're grating ginger, it's better to grate it with the skin on. So you need to wash it completely before you grate. After you add grated ginger, just cook it for 1 minute. You don't want to overcook the ginger because it will kill the flavor of the ginger. The beef topping is ready, so let's turn the heat off and put it aside. This beef topping is freezable, so you can make a lot and save some for another day. Let's make the broth for udon noodles. I have 1200 milliliter water on the heat. 1 tablespoon instant dashi soup stock, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Just bring it to boil and the broth is ready. Let's cook the udon noodles and drain. It's cooked for 2 minutes, so I'm going to drain the noodles. Let's assemble it. Some udon noodles, broth, the beef topping, onsen tamago, some green onion. And Niku Udon is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!